Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to make your LLC and get your EIN number in Texas. And this whole process is going to be super fast and easy, so click the link in the description below. I'm going to show you on my screen at the same time you follow along on yours, and basically I'm going to tell you what to fill out for every single question, and we're going to make this as fast and as inexpensive as possible. So again, click that link below and let's just get right into it. So this is going to take you to the Taylor Brands website, and Taylor Brands is amazing for doing LLCs, EINs, logos, website creation, basically anything business related, you can get it here. So we're going to start by clicking Texas. And now you're going to type in the name of your business to make sure it's available for an LLC. So I do eyelash extensions on the go. I'm going to type in my business name, and yep, it is available. Now you're going to click what stage that you're currently in and what industry you fall into. So you can see as I type a letter, like unlimited options come up. So you can find your category or something similar to the category that you fall into. And are you offering a good, a service, or both? As far as employees, if you change your mind later on, that's totally fine. Just click where you are now. And if you have a goal for your business. Okay, so if you have a storefront or a shop, you can use the zip code for that. And if you don't, you can just use your home zip code. And then are you serving customers online, at a shop or store, or on the go? So you can again click all that apply for this section. Okay, and today you guys, I want you to click LLC and EIN. So why do I want you to click EIN? Your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes, and you're also going to need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So it's something really important to have, and you'll more than likely need it within your first year of business. So I just like to click it here again, like I said, because Taylor Brands, it's like a one-stop shop for everything business related. If you need your logo made, you want a website created, maybe you need help with accounting or taxes, they have all of that here. So click whatever else you need, but today we're just going to click these two. And this is a survey we could skip. And you discover Taylor Brands through YouTube. Okay, and Taylor Brands is just offering you a free 12-week business coaching program. There's no strings attached. It's just completely free. I like to take it because maybe I can learn something that helps me make more money. But if you want to skip it, you can just hit no thanks. And now you're going to enter your personal information. And create a password. Okay, and again, Taylor Brands is asking, do you want them to help you create your EIN number? So if you want to save some money, you won't have to pay that $99, and you can file it through the IRS website. But keep in mind, the IRS website only allows you to file Monday through Friday. They are closed during the weekends. Yes, it's for the website. I don't know why. And just in my personal opinion, I feel like government websites are very outdated, very difficult to navigate. So for $99, it's completely worth it, for me at least, to have Taylor Brands do it for me. Especially if it's your first time, I don't know. I don't like the extra stress, and I would rather pay that $99. So again, completely up to you. And as far as assigning a registered agent, so this term essentially is who is going to receive the mail for your business. So if you live in Texas and your business is in Texas, you will be your own registered agent. Now, this might not apply if you live in some other state and you're filing an LLC in Texas because of maybe tax benefits, then you would need to appoint a registered agent in the state. And if you don't know anyone in the state, Taylor Brands can figure it out for you and help you out with that. But again, for most of you guys that live in Texas with your business in Texas, you can click this second option here. And are you sure? Yes, we're sure. Okay, you guys, we're almost halfway done. Check this out. See this bar at the top? We're so close to the end. So every single year, you need to renew your LLC. So if you forget to do it, you'll receive a couple different warnings, make sure you fill it out. If you don't, then you'll be hit with a bunch of late fees and fines, which we obviously want to avoid that. So if you're worried that you might forget to renew it, Taylor Brands can renew it for you every single year for $199. It's like an automatic payment every year. It is a little pricey, but it's still cheaper than those late fees. So if you want to pay that, you can do that. If you want to save the money, you can handle it on your own. Just make sure you renew it every single year. It's super important. Okay, and would you like a branding toolkit? I'm going to click no. And for just $49, you can get your LLC in just 2 days from now. So I like this option. It's, you can get your business started as soon as possible. But again, if you want to save a little bit of money, you can get it in just 2 weeks from now with no extra fee. And as far as the operating agreement, now if you are working like solo, if it's just yourself with the business and the ownership of the business, you do not need an operating agreement. If you have a partner, you may want to check out an operating agreement. It kind of sets the guidelines and ownership of the business. So it's just $29. So if you have a partner, you might want to check it out. But if you're just by yourself, like I am, you can click the second option here. And this is a formation kit that they are offering for sale. It basically is like a binder with all of your important info in there. Just keeps everything very organized. I do not need this, so I'm going to click no. And yes, let's get notified about our LLC. Okay, and you guys, I promise I'm going to save you as much money as possible. So you can see we have a few different options here of plans. Depending on what you're trying to do with your business, feel free to check out everything they have to offer. But today we only need this light plan for our LLC and EIN number. Okay, so here is the breakdown of what we're paying for today. So the Texas state filing fee for an LLC is $309. Yes, it's a little expensive, but this is just the government fee. No matter how or where you make your LLC, it's always going to be that price. The business coaching program is free, that's included, and we're paying that $49 for the 2-day filing for our LLC. If you change your mind and want to save that $49, just click that button here. So this will be your grand total for today, $358. Now, after your LLC is created, then you'll be charged for your EIN number. This is a separate charge, so LLC is first, and then EIN. So don't be surprised when you see that come through. It is correct. It's just for your EIN. And now we're going to go through to paying. So after you've entered your credit card information, they're going to ask you like what address you want to use. And I always use my home address. I've never received junk mail, spam mail, anything like that. But if you do have a storefront or a shop or something like that, you can use that address. And again, it's just for them to contact you if they need something in regards to your LLC. But that's it, you guys. You have just filed your LLC and your EIN number. And I hope this was really fast and easy to follow along with. But if you do have questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I would love to help you guys out. I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you in the next one.